babes, and welcome back to my channel. Today is the day where I'm finally filming a video in English, and I'm so excited because I'm not the best in speaking English, but I try my best and I want to improve it. So here we are. If you're new to my channel, I'm Gloschi and I'm a beauty creator on Instagram. So if you haven't seen my profile yet, just check it out. And yeah, today I've created this beautiful look using the new Norvina Volume 4 palette. And this palette is a must-have if you need a palette for every day. This is everything. And babes, I tell you, you need this palette in your life, in your collection, because you have some nude shades, you have some neon shades, you have some glitters, so everything in one palette. And as you can see, I've already created this look. So if you want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching, take your brushes, and let's go. As you can see, I've already did my base and contour and brows. For that reason, I'm gonna start with the base. For today's look, I'm gonna use this Louise base in the lightest shade, and I'm gonna apply it on my whole lid. And after applying the base, I'm not gonna set it because I want to have the colors as vibrant as possible. And now it's time to use the palette. And I think I'm gonna start with the shade B2 from this palette. And I just tap without blending because I want to achieve the highest pigmentation. This is how it looks, and now to blend out the edges, I'm gonna use a lighter shade from this palette. It's this A4 shade right there. And just make sure you're using a small blending brush for more control. Now I'm gonna blend the edges out here. Blending is the most important step in makeup because it gives you like this soft transition between two colors. This is how it looks when it's all blended out beautifully. The next step is to putting on some highlights like a shimmer shade or some glitter. And before we do that, we're gonna use the Louise base again to cut the crease. And here's a cute hack for all beginners. If you're not sure where your cut crease has to end, just apply a little bit of the base onto your lid and look up here where your cut crease should be. And I fully understand when you're a beginner, it's really hard to draw a cut crease. I feel you, sis, but it's all about practicing, I promise. And this is how it looks. Now we're gonna use a really light shimmer shade. I'm gonna go with this C1 shade here. It's like a rose gold pinky one, and I'm always taking a brush. I don't like to use my fingers because I have really long nails and the dirt stucks between my fingers and nails. And as you can see, it's a really pretty soft pink shade with a little bit of shimmer. And don't hesitate to use more layers for higher pigmentation and to create a really soft transition between the shimmer shade and the matte shade. We're gonna use the first color, the red one, and just tap. And now just take a clean brush and blend out the edges. I've heard from so many influencers who try to speak in another language. They're receiving so much hate because of that. I mean, what's the problem? I want to learn another language and I try to improve it by speaking. I mean, there's no other way to improve it. And I don't know why so many people feeling annoyed by this. Maybe someone can explain that to me. Anyways, we need some more highlights, so I'm gonna use the glitter shade on top of my shimmer shade. And as you can see, we have some glitter in this palette. We have this nice E3 shade and the E2, and I think I'm gonna go for the E2 shade. And I love this glitter because you don't need any glue for it. You can just dip in with your brush and apply it on your lid. And for my under eye area, I'm gonna use the B2 and A4 once again. I'm taking a very small brush and use the color A4. Next step is applying mascara. And for this step, I'll be using the Superhero Mascara by It Cosmetics. This mascara is great if you have like mini lashes or no lashes as I do. And I'm always using mascara before applying lashes because I don't know, I like it that way. There's no reason for that. And if you know me from Instagram, you know I need some color in every look. So for the inner corner, I'm gonna use the E1 shade. It's a neon pink and it looks so pretty, and I think pink is perfect for this look. And my last step is using some fake lashes because it gives me some glamorous vibes if I'm using some fake lashes. And this is how it looks with lashes, way better. Now I'm gonna apply some blush and lipstick and be right back. And that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and it wasn't that hard to understand my English. But if you want some more videos in English, just click on that subscribe button. And if you like this video, just leave a thumbs up and check out my Instagram for some mini tutorials and stories every day. And if you have a really nice video idea you want to share with me, just write it down in the comments. And yeah, see you next time. Bye!